Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. Mezmoglobe Liquid. The distinction between real magic and optical illusions can sometimes be incredibly subtle. Just take a moment to observe this kinetic sculpture. All it takes is a gentle spin to activate its mesmerizing motion. It may appear like flowing liquid, but it's actually a solid piece of aluminum. The secret lies in the unique shape of each section, which, despite their outwardly regular circular appearance, are far more intricate. Robo DIY Kits. Enough of jigsaw puzzles and Lego. It's time for you to construct your own robots. Don't worry, it's not as challenging as regular DIY kits. You'll receive step-by-step instructions and a complete set of tools including tweezers, pliers, and a soldering iron. Each robot in the collection possesses a unique structure and distinctive appearance, whether it's the spider-like hexapod or the two-legged heavy sniper. You can assemble them individually or opt for the complete set, which includes 5 items. Some models consist of approximately 20 parts, while others feature over 100. All these spaceships and creatures are assembled using printed circuit boards, a component utilized in all our devices. Additionally, you'll need to equip the robots with blinking LED lights to bring them to life. Circuit Mess Batmobile. While this miniature Batmobile is smaller than the original, it boasts professional-grade hardware. Equipped with a dual-core processor, high-quality camera, and customizable LED lighting, it offers an immersive experience. The package includes all the necessary parts and tools for you to assemble the Batmobile from scratch. Additionally, you'll receive a sleek controller with a built-in LCD display. However, the car is also capable of autonomous driving through AI and machine learning. Furthermore, there are 14 QR code cards that serve as triggers, each causing the Batmobile to perform a specific action. Connecting the Batmobile to your PC allows you to learn programming and add new features to your vehicle. Petite rocket lamp. Immerse yourself in a world of dreams with this petite rocket that serves as a lamp. Simply place it on your nightstand and switch on the light to embark on a journey. The lamp is entirely 3D printed, resulting in an incredibly realistic appearance. The flame color exudes a gentle and warm ambience, and you can choose from 2 different versions based on your preferred flight direction. Adjusting the brightness level is also possible to suit your needs. The rocket lamp is equipped with a rechargeable 800 mAh battery, offering up to 8 hours of uninterrupted use without any bothersome cords. Rest assured, a USB charging cable is included in the package to power the entire rocket. Cosmic Eye. This captivating sphere has an otherworldly appearance and is incredibly mesmerizing. Its concept is quite simple. You flip and tilt the toy, and observe the captivating patterns it creates by flowing liquid inside. You can even use a magnet to interact with the sphere. Made from durable polycarbonate, the sphere also offers an optional aluminum stand, making it a perfect decoration for your desk. Zirconium Mjolnir hammer. It seems like everyone these days carries the same set of accessories, but here are some cool all-metal items that you can proudly display. For instance, there's the Stormbeaker pendant crafted from titanium. Despite its compact size, the accessory boasts incredible detail, accentuated by vibrant color options. Another must-have for Thor fans is the Zirconium Mjolnir hammer, available in several colors with various ornaments and textures. Wacom Express Key Remote. Another wireless remote is designed to work with a variety of graphic tablets and displays. It boasts 17 fully programmable buttons and, despite its compact size, can last up to 160 hours on a single charge. If one remote isn't sufficient for your needs, you can pair up to 5 remotes and utilize them simultaneously. Kyle's Aether Wings, League of Legends. Some cosplayers possess boundless creativity when it comes to designing their remarkable costumes. For instance, one individual embarked on building a life-size replica of the Aether Wings Kale skin from League of Legends. It took approximately 1,000 hours and around $1,500 to create, but the outcome is truly impressive. The suit primarily incorporates aluminum along with the EVA foam and acrylic. Notably, the massive wings are fully functional and adorned with vibrant LED lights. Despite their size, they are easily controlled through a special mobile app. It's remarkable that the creator, despite lacking professional engineering experience, learned everything from scratch. However, wearing this costume must undoubtedly be quite challenging, considering its weight of over 40 pounds. But that's the price one pays for such an awe-inspiring appearance. Card holder. Although seemingly simple, this card holder exudes reliability with its aerospace-grade aluminum construction. Furthermore, it provides RFID blocking to safeguard your credit information against potential thieves. The wallet conveniently accommodates up to 5 cards with one slot purposely exposed, ideal for displaying a badge or ID. Available in various attractive colors, particularly the enticing champagne gold and pinkish red options, this slim wallet effortlessly fits into any pocket. Alternatively, you can wear it around your neck with a lanyard. Impressively, this accessory is expandable, featuring a versatile rail system that enables quick attachment of additional compartments and useful add-ons. Say goodbye to limited storage space. Projector Lamp. Transform your room into a romantic haven with this projector lamp, obviating the need to wait for a picturesque sunset. The lamp's projections instantly grease your walls with breathtaking scenery, ranging from stunning sunsets to vibrant rainbows. With its rotatable head, you can easily fix it at any desired angle, altering the shape and size of the projected image. Adjustments are a breeze. Simply move the lamp away from the wall to expand the projection aperture. Crafted from minimalist aluminum, the lamp showcases a sleek and durable design. For your convenience, the package includes a power supply with sufficiently long USB cables, allowing you to plug it in anywhere you desire. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.